Yes, friends. Yesterday we made the discussion related to the flying wedge as well as the Fisher presentation, and this is one of the flying wedge presentation. Whereas here more than one carbons and their connectivities are present. If more than one carbons are present, carbon-carbon connectivity is expected to be present on the plane, one of the best way of representation, followed by remaining out of three valencies, two are in one direction and other is in another direction. Thus here the best presentation of two carbon atoms with the corresponding valencies is carbon-carbon connectivity in plane followed by remaining valencies in such a way that one is away from us, remaining two are towards us. Similarly, the same thing applies over here for the other carbon atom. Suppose if I numbered these as valency 1, valency 2, valency 3, valency 4, valency 5 as well as valency 6. This is one of the way of representation of more than one carbons containing connectivities followed by their corresponding valencies in flying wedge representation. But in this case, if you observe, here the valency 2 and valency 5 are present away from one another and those are present in one plane. Similarly, here valency 1 and valency 4 are projecting towards us in one plane like this. From this plane, these two are projecting towards us like this. This is present like this is also present like this. These two are present in one plane. Similarly, the next one, that is valency 3 and valency 6 is present like this, projecting towards us. Those are also present in the plane. Whereas valency 2 away from us, valency 5 away from us, those two are also present in one plane. So therefore, on plane here just two atoms are there. That is carbon-carbon connectivity followed by back side of the plane two atoms like carbon with the valency 2, carbon with the valency 5, and remaining four valencies are projecting towards us. That is carbon with valency 1 and valency 3, carbon with valency 4 as well as valency 6. Every time, if it is consisting more than one carbon atoms, writing the structure and keeping the valencies at their proper positions becomes very difficult. I know everywhere they are present like this. Thus, a new model came into existence which is known as Fisher presentation. In Fisher presentation, instead of writing the dark lines and the dotted lines, we will write a vertical line followed by horizontal lines where intersection occurs between vertical and horizontal lines. That is considered as generally chiral carbon, and here you assume this is carbon connected with the four valencies. Now here, whatever the valencies are present at the bottom of the Fisher, those of all are written as it is, 4 at the place of 4, 5 at the place of 5, 6 at the place of 6. And whatever the valencies are present on the top carbon atom, those are written as it is. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Like this way of representation is known as Fisher presentation. In this, unnecessarily we are not writing the wedges, flying wedges like above the plane, below the plane is not present. Always we are indicating the things with the straight lines. Whatever the valencies are there, those valencies are once again written as it is in the beginning. But we know the rules in flying wedge presentation as well as in Fisher presentation. Event transformations on any carbon atom leads to the formation of same structure. Yes, event rule is applied for carbon 1. Say this as carbon 1, say this as carbon 2. Even rule is applied for the carbon 2. Suppose if I feel this carbon-carbon connectivity appearance is compulsory, I can apply this even rule for valency 1, 2, 3, valency 4, 5, 6 in between them. So I can get the other appearances but which are of same structures for the molecule. Thus, this is invented by Fisher, hence it is known as what? Fisher presentation. But though it is appearing in the plane, valencies are not present in the plane. No valencies present in the plane. Yes, two valencies are away from us, four valencies are towards us. The carbon-carbon connectivity to represent molecule, we are expecting that is present on the plane. But whereas, while writing mechanism, while going for the stereochemistry of the reactants or the products, sometimes the proper presentation, that is bonds with 0 degrees apart, bonds with 180 degrees apart should be necessary. Valencies with 0 degrees, valencies with 180 degrees should be present to participate in addition reactions, to participate in elimination reactions, syn elimination reactions, anti-elimination reactions, and I want to maintain other angles also. Yes. And here that angle is like this, it is eclipsed angle, 0 degrees is the angle, 0 degrees is the angle, 0 degrees is the angle. And with respect to 1 as well as the C1 and 1 and C2 and 4, 0 dihedral angle is present. Only 0 dihedral angles, and suppose if other groups are there, and this dihedral angle will become 120 degrees here, and here in this direction it becomes 120 degrees, no other angles are possible. Suppose to expect the stability of the molecule, sometimes more than 0 degrees can be present. Not 0 degrees is always eligible condition because it offers lot of strain. Thus, to explain the stability of the molecules and to explain the stereochemistry of the reactions, to explain the mechanism of the transformations, in most of the cases a flexible model is needed. Thus, compared to Fischer, though it applies event rule, I can keep one at the place of the other, but that is not sufficient. We need all other angles, eligible angles, how molecule will appear, that we want to sense. In that content, we got different models, and the next model is Newman presentation. Yes, once again to your notice, here these 3 and 6 are present in one plane. That plane is towards us like this. Similarly, these 1 and 4 valencies are present in one plane. That plane is towards us. Similarly, the valency 2 and valency 5 is present in one plane. That plane is present back side of the board. Like these valencies are present. As being these are present in the same plane, the angle of separation between them, if I take these atoms are present connected by one carbon, then angle is 0. That angle is said to be dihedral angle. Though here I am writing this one as like this, but here also the same situation arises. Top valency as well as bottom valency of carbon and carbon of Fischer presentation are present away from one another, away from the board, and present in the same plane. Similarly, this 1 and 4 in same plane. Similarly, this 3 and 6 are in same plane. Yes, like this, planarity is once again maintained. Though it is appearing everything on the straight lines appears to be present on the board, but that is not present on the board. Yes, these two are in one plane facing towards us. Plane is present like this. These two are in the same way, and 2 and 5 in a plane which is present back side of the board. Like this, these molecules and these valencies are present, and this presentation is known as Fischer presentation. Whereas in Fischer presentation, what happens is, I can apply the event rule, I can replace one group by the other group, even exchanges are allowed on carbon 1 and carbon 2. But thing is, the dihedral angle, suppose from here to here dihedral angle is 0, from here to here dihedral angle is 120, and here to here dihedral angle is 120. The possible dihedral angles, if I represent with theta, that is possible with 120 degrees followed by 0 degrees. No other dihedral angle is present. Thus, visualization of molecules with all angles, with all valencies, with all possible dihedral angles is not possible, because dihedral angle maximum possible is 180 degrees. Such kind of more stable structures identification and writing of mechanism with the help of Fischer may not be suitable, because all varieties of mechanism orientations of the groups is not present in the Fischer presentation. We need a sophistication. What is that sophistication? Sophistication is, we want to visualize the valencies side by side by any of the angle, from 0 degrees dihedral angle to 60 degrees, 120 degrees to the maximum angle of 180. So such kind of sophistication needed is fulfilled in another model. That model is said to be the Newman presentation. In Newman presentation, we are visualizing the front carbon atom completely like this, whereas whatever the backside carbon is doing there, backside carbon is completely covered by the front carbon atom. That is not at all visible. We are writing that one with the circle. Circle stands for presence of another carbon atom at the backside of that one. Front is connected with valencies. Those valencies are written like this. This valency is 4, as it is number I am writing. Here also rotation by any of the angle is applicable. Here it is not necessary for you to change to apply the event rule. You rotate by any of the angle, either the front carbon valencies or the back carbon valencies. Back carbon is also connected with valencies. Those valencies are like this. sixth one is covered by third one, and also here second one is covered by fifth one. Similarly, first one is covered by fourth one. These are the valencies connected to the back carbon atom. Now I can rotate either front valencies or the back carbon valencies or both by any of the angle. Now suppose if theta is equal to 0 is there, from 0 to 180 degrees I can change. So one can come here, here may come here, one can come here, similarly one can come here. Like this, the maximum angle of separation between the expected valencies can become 180 degrees and minimum can become 0 degrees. Such kind of facility is present, and this way of representation is invented by Newman, hence it is said to be Newman presentation. Yes. What is the sophistication that we are, extra benefit that we are getting in Newman presentation is, yes, we are visualizing carbon with all valencies. The back carbon atom is not visible, and we can know the angle, exact angle without any imagination. The dihedral angle present between expected one valency, reference valency of carbon 1 and the reference valencies on carbon 2, separation angle can be known. That can be 0, that can be 180, everything can be known from this representation is known as Newman presentation. So, in the conversion of Fischer to Newman, what we have to do is, we have to write a dot in the form of front carbon atom and all its valencies as it is, circle as a back carbon atom, and by covering all its valencies, that is bottom and top are covered, left side valencies are covered with one another, right side valencies are covered with one another. By taking this logic into consideration, we can write the direct model of the Newman. Thereby we can rotate either by any of the angle may be 60 degrees, 1 comes here, 2 comes here, 3 comes here, 2 comes here, 180 degrees, 120 degrees, 1 comes here, 3 comes here, 2 comes here, 180 degrees, 1 comes over here, 3 comes over here, similarly here 2 comes over here. We will write the dihedral angle based other appearances related to particular this structure of Newman. Then we will go for the next model also. Yes, the other varieties of the same Fischer represented in Newman presentation by making an angle of 60 degrees. Here, by keeping front carbon as it is, back carbon atoms are rotated by an angle of 60 degrees. So therefore here, after rotation to 60, this is the place of 1, this is the place of 3, this is the place of 2. Suppose if I rotate by another 60 degrees, once again, those are eclipsed by other atoms like this. This will become 1, this will become 3, and this will become 2. If I rotate by another 60 degrees, it appears like this. These are the positions, and this will become 2, this will become 1, and this will become 3. In that way, now here it is obtained by rotation of 60 degrees. This is also obtained by rotation of 60 degrees. This is also obtained by rotation of 60 degrees. Here, between 1 and 4, dihedral angle is 0. 1 and 4, dihedral angle is 60. 1 and 4, dihedral angle is 120. 1 and 4, dihedral angle is here 180 degrees. Thus, all varieties can be easily visualized by every of particular angle present between the groups connected with the adjacent carbon atoms. That is the importance and the sophistication present in the Newman model of the presentation. The next model of presentation is Sahar's model of representation. In Sahar's model of representation, what we will do is, whatever the Fischer is there, the Fischer's connected carbons are written as a slanted line. Suppose this is C1 carbon atom and the C2 carbon atom. Whereas the C2 related valencies, as it is, they will be written by making a dihedral angle of separation between them as 120 degrees. By considering these are occupying the circle 120 degrees apart, these are written, and this carbon 2 and carbon 1 are connected diagonally. You can visualize every carbon atom and the valency connected with the carbon atoms also. As being it is Fischer is present in the eclipsed model, we will write the remaining valencies as it is. Suppose if I feel this is valency 4, valency 5 and valency 6, whereas 1 and 4 are covered with one another. Similarly, here 2 and 5 are covered with one another, 6 and 3 are covered with one another. That's what the immediate Sahar's presentation of a corresponding Fischer appears like this. Every particular atom, every particular valency present in the structure can be known in the Sahar's presentation, and in the immediate Sahar's presentation the Fisher rules are applicable. This bottom and this bottom are eclipsed with one another, this left and left are eclipsed with one another, this side right and right, that is 3 and 6 are eclipsed with one another. The angle present between them is 0 because they are present in the same plane, hence dihedral angle is found to be 0. Now in Newman we will face some difficulties. Some of the atoms are missing to visualize, and we are assuming that atom is present over there. The presence and the invisibility can be written in the form of a bigger circle. But now here such kind of imagination is not present. Diagonally we are viewing the molecule. Everything is visible. We are feeling that every carbon atom connectivities and its valencies and their corresponding dihedral angle, everything can be known. Such kind of representation, the best representation is Sahar's presentation. Here also event rules can be applied. You can rotate the valencies in clockwise, anti-clockwise at the top and bottom. That is one benefit. And second one, you can rotate these by any of the other angles. Suppose dihedral angle present between them is 0. Now I can rotate to 1 degree, 2 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, even to 180 degrees. Thus all varieties of the rotations of the CC single bond related visualizations are present in the Sahar's representation. Suppose if I rotate this one by 60 degrees apart, then by keeping bottom as it is, here what happens is I am just tilting the top angles. Now this particular 120 degrees apart consisting of planar bonds, they can be rotated by 60 degrees. 1 come over here, 3 come over here, 2 come at the other position. So therefore this will become 1, this will become 3, this will become 2, and this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Now this is possible by rotation of 60 degrees of the C1 carbon atom. Thus here two varieties of things are possible. The minimum angle of separation between the valence is 0 degrees, and another angle of separation between the valences is 60 degrees. Thus I can apply even rule for this. I can get different varieties of things. I can apply even valences, that is even rules for the second model. I can get different varieties of structures, and this is Sahar's presentation. Now here after application of even rule, 1 changes to the 3, 3 changes to the 2, 2 changes to the 1. Similarly here also in clockwise direction, in anti-clockwise direction I can change. So suppose if I take one valency on the carbon 1 and one valency on the carbon 2, they may be separated by an angle. That angle theta I am saying, that angle is said to be dihedral angle. That can be present with an angle of 0 degrees. That can be present with angle of 120 degrees, 60 degrees, and the maximum angle of separation between them is 180 degrees. Like all varieties and all other angles possible between 0 to 60, 60 to 120, 120 to 180, everything is possible. Everything can be represented in this presentation. Thus Sahar's is the best. Why Sahar's is best? You can visualize all, you can apply even rule, you can get all varieties, you can make any of the angle between the reference valencies of the adjacent carbon atoms of a model. Thus Sahar's is the best model, because these models helps a lot in understanding of the mechanism. And before going to that importance of every particular variety of model in eliminations as well as additions related identification of the product, first of all we will write the interconversion from one model to the other model. Yes, models and interconversions. Here I am expecting the Sahar's presentation, that is flying birds presentation. In this flying birds presentation, I am having valencies like this, and here I am feeling these valencies are ABC, and these valencies are DEF are the valencies. Whereas the immediate corresponding, the Fisher presentation of this particular flying wedge presentation appears like this. Here this is valency A, valency B, valency C, followed by valency D, valency E, and valency F. And this one immediately, as it is written in the Newman presentation, it appears as the front carbon atom is having D, E, and F, followed by back carbon atom is covered with connectivity is like this, whereas F is covered by C, E is covered by B. Similarly, this D is covered by A. Like this it is present. If it is written in its immediate Sahar's presentation, Sahar's is eclipsed one because it is eclipsed system. So therefore here DEF is there, DEF is there, whereas D is covering A, so therefore this is A. F is covering C, hence it is C. E is covering B, hence it is B. Now I can apply, I can get all varieties of models also. I can apply even rule here, even rule here, even rule here, at the Newman and at the Sahar's. But especially in case of Newman and Sahar's, I can rotate this one by any of the angle. These triad connected with first carbon or the dotted triads connected with the second carbon can be rotated by any of the angle. Suppose here that angle is 0, I can adjust it to 1 degree, 2 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree. The major possible angles eligible for the discussion of mechanism and stability are, yes, if I feel one is 0 degrees, next is 60 degrees, next is 120 degrees, and next is 180 degrees. At this particular rotations also I can get the other structures, and in those structures also that even rule concept is applicable. You will get all infinite number of structures eligible for a particular molecule where CC rotation is eligible. CC single bond is present implies what? Molecule can be adjusted in many number of forms. All forms can be known with this particular presentations. Now let us go for the importance of the models. How these models are important? What is the extra benefit from the Newman presentation as well as the Sahar's presentation? See, in case of Fisher presentation, in case of wedge presentation, if two groups are eliminated in syn fashion, if two groups are going to be eliminated in syn fashion, then these two can be eliminated. Thereby, these two are cis to one another, these two are cis to one another. Else, B and E can be eliminated, and A and D present cis to one another because after elimination it becomes a double bond. Similarly, E and F become cis to one another. If E and F are eliminated, then AD will become cis. Similarly, BE will become cis to one another. Suppose if I write all possible cases in this, syn elimination is present. Syn elimination of suppose A and D are going to be eliminated as per the syn elimination is concerned. The corresponding products obtained are here A and B are eliminated, whereas these two are very close to one another. Dihedral angle is 0. Those two are cis. That is, one is C and one is F, and remaining is this is B and this is E. Suppose if B and E are eliminated as per the syn is concerned, then the corresponding stereochemistry of the compound is this is A and D, because these two are with the minimum angle separation, dihedral angle. This will be A and E, C and F. Whereas if C and F are eliminated syn wise, then what happens is these two are having dihedral angle separation 0, hence one becomes B, one becomes E, and one becomes A, becomes B. In that way, syn elimination, syn related elimination, expected products can be known from the flying wedge presentation. Thus, flying wedge presentation is helpful for only syn eliminations. I can apply even rule. I can eliminate A with D, I can eliminate A with E, I can eliminate A with F. Similarly, B with these three, C with these three can be known. The corresponding what might be the compound alkene obtained, and what are its corresponding isomerism, what are the corresponding geometrical isomers. These things can be known from the flying wedge presentation. The same field that we can get from the Fisher presentation also. Let us go for the benefit of the Fisher presentation. Next one is benefit of Fisher presentation. Fisher is a modified version of wedge presentation. Whatever the relations are there, those of all relations are tentatively validated in case of Fisher also. In Fisher here, whatever the left valencies are eclipsed with one another, whatever the right valencies, those are also eclipsed in place. The angle of separation between them in the plane is 0, that is dihedral angle is 0. Those valencies present at the top and bottom also feels the same. And this particular model is also helpful to identify the stereochemistry of the product for elimination reactions and eliminations of those syn eliminations. It is applicable. Suppose A and D are eliminated, otherwise B and E are eliminated, otherwise E and F is eliminated, then what will be the the sin elimination related product. Let us have a view and explanation. And I can go for the other chances also. I can rotate, I can apply even rule, I can get other relations. Thereby remaining things also can be done. Suppose if A and D are eliminated, how A and D are there on same plane? If these are eliminated, remaining these two are in plane, remaining these two are in plane. So therefore one side if I get C, in C association F will be obtained because C and F connectivities are maintaining 0 as the dihedral angle. Similarly B and E. Suppose if B and E is eliminated, these two are having 0 dihedral angle, these two are having 0 dihedral angle, this will become A and D and this will become C and F. Suppose if C and F are eliminated, cis fashion. So therefore in cis fashion if these are eliminated, this will become A. If it is A is associated with the D to the same side of the double bond, and here C and F eliminated implies this will become B and this will become E. In that way, the sin elimination related things can be identified easily from the flying wedge presentation and at the same time from the Fisher presentation. But when elimination comes with the 180 degrees apart, that elimination is said to be anti-elimination. Anti-elimination becomes very difficult in this case. So therefore for anti-elimination we need to rotate the bonds. That is, eclipsed situation can't help us to identify the stereochemistry of the product obtained. Thus in that case of anti-elimination, either Newman model or Sagar's model is the best model to identify the stereochemistry of the obtained product. Yes, from the direct Newman presentation, which particular stereochemistry of elimination is predicted from the Newman? Yes, Newman is also eclipsed form here. So therefore, if sin elimination occurs, I can apply the event rule. I am writing for certain things only. If AD is going to be eliminated, otherwise B is going to be eliminated, or FC is going to be eliminated in sin version, then the stereochemistry obtained for the products is like this. Yes, here which groups are going to be eliminated? Here A and D are eliminated. If A and D are eliminated, what are the other groups present on the carbon 1? Carbon 1 is associated with the two groups, that is A and D are eliminated. Front carbon is having E and F, one is E, one is F. And E is very close to B. Similarly, F is very close to C because here the dihedral angle is 0. B and E are eliminated on front carbon atom, the remaining valencies are D as well as E, whereas D is very close to A, E is very close to B and C, B is eliminated. D and F, F is very close to C. Similarly, if F and C are eliminated, then on the front carbon, D and E are very close. D is very close with dihedral angle 0 with A of the second carbon. E is very close to B with the dihedral angle of 0. So therefore, these are the corresponding products obtained. So if I apply even rule, I can change. I can get AD in the same way. I can get A followed by E, A followed by F combinations also, and the corresponding stereochemistry can be predicted from the Newman presentation also. The same thing can be applied for the Sahar's presentation. Let us go for the immediate Sahar's followed by the corresponding products. If I go for the immediate Sahar's, that is eclipsed form of Sahar's followed by sin elimination, if expected between the eliminated groups of carbon 1 and carbon 2, AD is going to be eliminated. Then remaining carbon 1 and carbon 2 are having double bond between them. B is eliminated. In between them double bond is present. If CF is eliminated, between carbon 1 and carbon 2 double bond is present. Yes, here we are expecting that A and D are eliminated because they are having dihedral angle 0. Then the carbon 1 is having E and F combination. Yes, one is E and one is F. E is very close to B because dihedral angle is 0. Similarly, F is very close to C. Suppose if B and E are eliminated, bottom carbon atom is having D and F combination. D is very close to A, F is very close to C. Similarly, here C and F are eliminated, then the remaining connectivities on carbon 1 are D and E. D is very close to A and E is very close to what? B here. In that way, you will be getting stereoisomers of the sin elimination products. You can apply even rule, you can get the other atoms also. Similarly, here A with D, A with E, you can get A with F, you can get thus all varieties of possibilities and corresponding properly oriented product, the resultant product stereochemistry can be known from the Sahars, immediate Sahars, that is eclipsed Sahars form. Suppose sometimes the elimination can be anti-elimination. The eliminating groups on the adjacent carbon atoms can make an angle of 180 degrees. Then in that case, which particular stereochemistry is obtained? That is not going to be very clear enough from wedge presentation as well as Fischer presentation. We have to go for either Newman presentation or we have to go for the Sahars presentation. So therefore, here rotating an angle by 60 degrees, we will get the anti-structures. In these anti-structures, we will apply the elimination rules related to the anti-elimination. Thereby, the stereochemistry can be predicted. If I go for the Newman related anti-structures as well as Sahars related 60 degrees apart structures, thereby elimination and elimination rules and elimination products, let us have a discussion. Yes, these two are the corresponding anti-structures related to the Newman model as well as the Sahars model after rotating by 60 degrees. Yes, these particular three valencies are rotated inboard by 60 degrees apart. Thus A came over here at this location and C came in between these two, B came in between these two. Thus A is replaced by 60 degrees, C as well as B. Thus the corresponding appearance is said to be the anti-appearance. This is Newman related anti-appearance and this is Sahars related anti-appearance. Let us go for the elimination. If anti-elimination occurs, then what will be the products? After rotation by 60 degrees apart of the connected valencies on one carbon atom, here the next structure obtained is like this. Till now the connection A is present over here. After rotation by 60 degrees, it took a place here. Like this, I am getting the inverted Y over here. This is Y. Such kind of geometrical appearance is said to be the anti-form of Sahars. Similarly, the same thing if it appears in the case of Newman, till now it is eclipsed. A is eclipsed with D. Now A moves far away from D on the rare carbon atom. Thus A, B, C will make an angle of 120 in between them in the plane. Such kind of appearance is said to be anti-form of Newman presentation. Now here, if anti-elimination occurs, suppose here and here it is same. A and E groups are going to be eliminated. D and C groups are going to be eliminated. B and F groups are going to be eliminated. You have chance. You can rotate by any of the, you can apply even rule for any of the atom. Thus you will get not only A followed by E, AD combination, AF combination also you can get. I am giving minimum examples. Suppose if A and E are eliminated, A and E which are making an angle of 180 dihedral angle are eliminated. Then one carbon atom is having combination of, after elimination of A, what are the valencies present over there? B and C are the valencies. And this valency becomes double bond followed by remaining two valencies present on the front carbon atom after elimination of E. D and F are present. So which side D should be there, which side F should be there can be known. See here B is there. B and is giving competition with D and F. For B, D is present with 60 degrees apart, whereas this particular E, F is present with 120 degrees apart, 180 degrees apart. So therefore 180 degrees apart is maximum distance it is maintaining in planar structure also. So therefore to the B, this F is present over here, to the B, this D comes very close to one another. Like this stereochemistry is obtained. The same thing happens in the case of Sahars also. Now we will explain the D and E elimination in Sahars. These two groups are eliminated. Similarly, the front carbon atom is having AC combination. The bottom carbon atom is having DC is eliminated, implies this is having BA combination. And this is having here D is eliminated, implies EF combination is there. Case here B is there, B is making minimum angle of separation with the E, whereas maximum angle 180 degrees with the F. So therefore to the B, F is present trans, and here the next valency that is left is here M point and B point together. Now here AB came over here. Now here D and D is eliminated, implies this will be. And the last case, if BF is going to be eliminated, this also I want to explain from the Sahars here. These two groups are eliminated. The remaining valence is present on the top carbon atom. After elimination of B, this is AC, and two valencies are present. Those are F is eliminated, implies D and E. So therefore to the A, the minimum separation is present from minimum suppression is present from D, so therefore this will be D, and here the eliminated group is F, implies remaining one is what, E. In that way stereochemistry is present for the anti-eliminations. The anti-eliminations related explanation is coming from the Newman presentation as well as the Sahar's presentation. For your easiness, once again, one example from the Newman. Suppose here A and E are eliminated. If A and E are eliminated, back carbon atom is having combination of B and C, front carbon atom is having combination of D and F. Suppose if I take B, to the B, the minimum dihedral angle separation is present for D, so therefore B and D are close, syn fashion to one another. Suppose here B and F are eliminated, this B and F are going to be eliminated. So the top carbon atom is having AC combination, bottom carbon atom is having DE combination. Suppose if I take A, to this A, E is present maximum separation 180 degrees, hence that will comes in trans, remaining group is in cis. Like this, trans elimination related alkene formation is known from the Newman presentation as well as the Sahar's presentations. Syn addition is occurring. I am having an alkene AB, DE are the substitutions present over the alkene. On that EF is added in syn fashion. Then how the stereochemistry appears? If I represent the corresponding thing in the flying wedge presentation, where E and where F will come. In case of Fischer presentation, where it comes. In case of Newman presentation, in case of Sahar's presentation, where they will come. Let us have a look. Yes, these are the regular general ways of the representation of the molecules. Whereas suppose if E and F are going to be added in syn fashion, then suppose if this is E is connected at the, that is C and F, not the E and F, C and F. C is connected at the top carbon atom and F is connected at the bottom carbon atom. If you feel, then C and F can take these two positions because these two are syn. Else C and F can take these two positions, C and F can take these two positions. You can write at any positions. But whereas here A and D, similarly here B and E, like this, that relation should be maintained. Here I am writing one of the way, whatever A and D are there, A and D are written as it is. Similarly B and E are syn to one another because those groups are present in one plane. The added groups, one here I am writing C, one here I am writing F. You know the even rule you can apply, you can get the other things also, but the strict rules that are to be maintained are whatever the syn groups are there, whichever are present same side of the double bond on the ends of the carbons, those are written on one plane. These are planar bonds, these are planar connectivities, these two are planar connectivities. Syn addition implies what? Planar addition is present, so therefore in one plane C and the same plane F should be there, A and D, B and E, C and F. Else you can write CF here. Else you can write CF here, but AD should be present in one plane, C and F should be present in one plane, B and E should be present in one plane. Similarly, if I write in the Fischer presentation, Fischer is one way of wedge presentation only. First of all, I will write one I am writing, remaining things you can, that is A and D. Similarly, here B and E are cis. Whatever the groups are going to be added, that is C and F, C and F should be present in syn to one another, and that is the way of syn. Similarly, here in case of Newman, if I want to write, eclipsed Newman will produce you the corresponding product. Yes, carbon is consisting of A and B. Suppose if I am feeling that this is the carbon A and B, whereas A is in syn with D, I have to write D here, and here B is in combination with E, whereas C and F are going to be added. C is here and F is going to be here. You can write C and F here, C and F here at any place, like that you can get. Similarly in syn, yes, these two are eclipsed with one another, these two are eclipsed and these two are eclipsed. Any two eclipsed positions for AD as well as B. Suppose this is AD and this is B, and remaining is what? CF. Now here C and here F. You can take these two combinations, else these two combinations, else these two combinations to write the stereochemistry of the syn addition related to the alkenes to get the proper isomer obtained as a product of addition. Yes, in anti-addition of groups related to the double bond, anti-addition stands for groups are connected in 180 degrees apart from one another. Suppose if C and F is going to be added and the angle of separation, dihedral angle, when they are going to be added should be maximum, that should be 180 degrees. C is added to the top carbon atom and F is added to the bottom carbon atom. The angle of separation, dihedral angle while addition is maximum 180. Suppose if I am feeling this is C and this is F. Whereas the top carbon atom is having other two valencies, that is A is one valency as well as B is one valency. Whereas A is very close to D, so very closeness of that one is possible. One is this, other is D. This is 180 degrees apart, hence this is will be D. Whereas B is close to E, that will become C. In that way, the addition is possible. Either I can take C and F like this, C and F like this, C and F like this. Similarly, in Sahars, I may take these two as antipositions, or these two are antipositions. If I take top and bottom, this is C and this is F. These are going to be added, and remaining things are present over here. Are one is A and one is B. A is very close to D because they are present in the same plane. Dihedral angle is 0. Dihedral angle 0 implies minimum angle should be present in 3 dimensions. That minimum angle is here 60 degrees apart, whereas this is 180 degrees apart. So this will become D, this will become E. In that way, addition related, anti-addition related alkene products are obtained with the isomerism and the presentations of either Newman or with the Sahars presentations. Yes, a question for you. A Fisher presentation was given for the 2 carbon system connected with valencies 1, 2, 3 as well as XYZ of the first and second carbon atoms. Sin elimination of 1 and 4 groups is going to be occurring. Now you are expected to write the corresponding product via different presentations like wedge presentation, Fisher presentation, Newman presentation as well as the Sahars presentations. Yes, there is an alkene system consisting carbons with P and Q valencies, alpha and beta are the valencies. For that, PQ combinations R and alpha beta combinations gamma, that is gamma is added over this and R is added over the top carbon atom. Thus, gamma and R is going to be added in anti-version. Then you are asked to write the corresponding products by taking wedge presentation, Fisher presentation. These things does not work over here, by taking Newman presentation as well as the Sahars presentation into account.